back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I got this wet Kim K inspired kind of look going on, keep on watching. Also, if you want to know more about this hair and where I got it from, also keep on watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Okay, leave a comment down below, all that good stuff. Turn on bell notifications so you won't miss when I post another video. If you're new here, hey girl. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one. Okay, so to get this wet, the infamous wet wavy look, okay, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some Lotta Body or some setting mousse, foaming mousse, whatever. This is the coconut and shea oils one. Okay, it was like what, $4.39 at my local beauty supply store. Then some water. Don't mind this. This is just this water just in here. Okay, then a brush. You're gonna need a brush. This brush is so cute. We'll get into it later, but so what you want to start off by doing is just brushing out your hair. Our hair is brushed out. What you want to do is take your water, okay, spray all around the hair. So now, this is really simple, like really simple. Take our Lotta Body, 1, 2 pumps, take it, just clap it. This is just what I do. I like to clap it in my hands. This is just so it can lay super flat, like, you know, like my legs front to look super duper flat on the head. So, ooh, I forgot my hard brush, but it's okay. We don't need it that bad. So now I'm just going to smooth that over the top of my head, like so. Dang, I really do not have my hard brush. It's okay. If I had my hard brush, what I would do is just brush it down, make sure it's like super flat. Okay, you can just do that with our hands. And so then, take it again. 1, 2, take it. Now this is how you really get the wet look to stay in place all day. Now it's going to dry, of course, but it's going to still have that look that it's wet and loose and wavy and whatnot. So we're just going to do that all around. Like so. Super cute. Make sure we get every strand, no strand left behind. Okay. Just gonna take some more because I'm extra. I'll show y'all what I do with this. So, pieces in the front, kind of just scrunch it up so that can dry like that. So just take it and scrunch it. Take it and scrunch it. Then voila. Quick, easy, simple tutorial. Wet look. It will dry, but it will look super bomb when it does, and it'll still look super wet, super classy, super sexy. Okay, so let me just show y'all how we looking all around. Back to the side. All right, so now that we have that out of the way, I did want to do that little quick tutorial real quick just because why not? Like, I feel like I haven't done one in a while. So just show y'all how I get my hair like this. And a lot of people been telling me my hair been looking good, and I was like, yeah. I forgot my phone, so I can't really tell y'all the details on this hair, which is very upsetting, but I'm going to tell you everything I remember. and everything else will be in the description box, I promise, right? So I know this is a natural wave hair. If I'm wrong, but I'm sure I'm right, then it'll be in the description box. But natural wave hair, this wig came in, I think, either 14 or 16 inches. Again, I'll either put it in this on the screen in the description box, but either 14 or 16 inches. It was about up to here when I got it. I did cut it only because this was the look I was going for homecoming at last minute, so I just decided to cut it the day before. And as you can see, it goes like this. On this side it's just shorter, so it's like asymmetrical, I guess you could say. And so yes, super cute cut. I never had a cut like this, and I really like it, especially with this hair texture. But nevertheless, this is from, oh, let's get the box. Bria Allure Hair Collection. Okay, super sweet girl. She has a YouTube channel. I'm sure that will be in the description box as well. But the hair came in this box in a baggie, I believe, and the hair smells super good. Not like she shipped it out from China, because she is in the US. Sounded like it was gonna smell like some fish or something, like it was shipped overseas, but it smells super good. She like put some stuff in it, and she plucked the wig, but I did go ahead and pluck some more, of course, because I don't know, because I'm extra. But this is how the wig looks unplucked on this side, and she did cut some baby hairs out. I did not do that. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I didn't mess with this side because, again, it's flipped over and nobody can see that side. So I just plucked over this side. It was super easy. It came pre-bleached. The parting was more like a straight part, but I did make it more curved, and it was bleached. So I just added some powder because I didn't really want to over pluck it, so I just added some powder to emphasize the plucking of the hair and the part, and winding up the part a little bit. And so I put some Got to Be glue here, you know, did the little swoop swoop swoop. Did a little swoop swoop swoop. But back to Bria Allure Hair Collection. This is a super cute box. Tell me this isn't cute. Tell me this is not cute. Like, look at it with my nails. Super cute. Okay, super cute boxing. She also was sweet enough to send me a brush. Excuse me, a brush. This is super cute. Okay, I really like this brush. I was like, I opened it in my mom's room. I was hanging out with her, and I was like, oh, she gave me a brush. Like, this is a really cute brush. Like, for real, I shouldn't even be brushing my hair, but I am. Anyway, this is a really cute brush. Look at it. Really smooth. Well, it's because of the wig cap, but y'all get the gist. Y'all get the gist. So then she also got me a card. It's super cute. It says, "Thank you for your order." It says Bria Allure Collection. Tag us in your pictures at Bria Allure Collection to be featured on her IG. So she does have an Instagram. It's super poppin'. She talks about her wigs. She has wigs on there, wigs that she sells. She has this wig on here, but you know, I got it, but you know, she can make more. That's how that works, right? So she has her Instagram on here, her website name, and then her email, and then on the black back, I mean, super cute. Like, this was just like really cute, like the black and the gold, and then you know, that's just okay. So hair care maintenance tips. I'm not gonna read all of these, but y'all get the gist, right? So yeah, super cute packaging. Applaud you for that, girl. Yes. So I don't remember how much this would cost, but again, I will have it in the description box. She does sell bundles. She does make wigs upon your request. She does custom color, I think, and all that good stuff. She does have blind bundles and blind wigs, color 613, 613, 613, whatever you want to call it, same thing. Yeah, she's really doing her thing. I forgot. I don't know how old she is, but I know she's young, and this is her business, and she's doing her thing. She reached out to me. She said, "Hey, like your YouTube, I want you to do a review for my hair." So that's what I'm here doing today. So I do recommend this hair. I really did like how she packaged the hair, you know, packaging is super important. It came in a cute little box, like a little box. I never had a little box like this. I have a lot, but a couple, 2, 3. Like usually this big old box, but this is super cute. I know that her stuff isn't overpriced for a fact. Cause when I looked on there, I was, you know, I'm like, okay, she's a small business. I hope her stuff is overpriced as I was looking at it. And her stuff was very affordable. This wig, I'm sure it was very affordable. I'm for certain it is, but again, I don't know the exact price, but it will be in the description box. This is a black owned business. She is black. Okay, so this is one of the first black businesses I've worked with and done a review for, and I applaud you, Bria, okay, because this is absolutely amazing. Stunning wig, stunning unit. I didn't have to do much with the plucking at all because it was already pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The lace laid perfectly. It was just beautiful. It's just a great time. This is one of my favorite wigs, hands down. One of my favorites, because look at this. Look at this. Look at me. Super cute. Super cute. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this hair. If you want to check her out, all her information will be in the description box below, and the link to this wig and everything else. So make sure you guys check out the description box. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 15K. I'm going to keep saying this until we get there. And when we get there, you ain't got to hear me say that no more until I'm trying to reach 20K. Okay? But and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Share whatever you want to do with it. I'm through with it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.